I say in these troubled times, you have to help yourself. I say in these troubled times, you have to help yourself.
Even in those difficult times, we still need to go to the bathroom.
There's no toilet paper on the shelf.
Oh no! No toilet paper!
No problem. I will show you how to make toilet paper.
But how?
It's so easy. Take all the stuff out of the kitchen. Here.
All the paper.
The rest of the breakfast.
I've got an idea. We can even use this.
And here we have a lot.
Oh, very good.
The prawns for yesterday. Risotto.
We can also use our napkins.
The lettuce. The paper.
And even your pasta packets. So, we need some other stuff too. First of all, towels. Then, some washcloths. More napkins can't hurt. Then, a big tub to put some water in. Different kind of bowls, a hand blender, a rolling pin and a wooden spoon, 2 big pieces of wood, an oven tray, an iron hair dryer, a washing line. If you want scented toilet paper, use some tea bags. And if you want your toilet paper to have a special message, you can always use newspaper cutouts. A picture of the wall. Take out the picture and use the frame as a sieve. Now we rip the paper into small pieces and put different colors into different bowls. We fill in some lukewarm water into the bowls. I think it's time for a cup of tea. But don't pour it all out. We still need some for our scented toilet paper.
A very nice tea.
Now we have to blend the paper, but do it in a safe space, otherwise you'll cause a big mess. Doesn't look like much now, but it's gonna be awesome. And now we'll fill it in the tub. Okay, now that we've got the water, we've got the frame with the sieve, the tray with a towel, some more cloths, the rolling pin, and a sponge. Some of the paper pulp. Take it up, let it drip off a bit, put it on the towel, take off the frame, shake it off a bit, then turn it around onto the cloth in a fast movement. Oh, look at that. Doesn't that look great? always wanted red toilet paper. Okay, now it's time for the scented toilet paper.
And some words.
What a lovely smell. Now we take the boards on the towel. Then we'll put all our papers with the towels. Just another piece. I told you we need a lot of towels. Have to stand on it. I mean, no safety distance here.
So now we need something really heavy.
Okay, now we put the washing line into the bathroom, and it's perfect because it's in reaching distance from the toilet. Now, if you're really in a hurry, you can even blow your paper dry with your hair dryer from the toilet. Now it's ready. If you need wet wipes, you can already take it off. Otherwise, you have to wait a little bit till it's dry. For our extra comfort for our special guest, you can iron it first. Wow. Now here we've got our special Corona edition, but you can have many different ones. You can get green ones, musical ones. You can even have a little imprint in it if you want, like real toilet paper. You can also decide if you want 1 ply, 2 ply, 3 ply, whichever takes your fancy. Now we know how to reduce our waste, have less fights in the supermarket, and a very happy bottom. Hooray!
Hooray! I say in these troubled times, you have to help yourself. I say in these troubled times, you have to help yourself. In a downtown market, there's no toilet paper on the shelf.